Let's work through an example of calculating undefined slope using a table. Use the table to solve for the slope. First, identify two ordered pairs in the table. One ordered pair is 8, -10. Another ordered pair is 8, 0. Next, label the x and y values. The first ordered pair is labeled x sub 1, y sub 1. The second ordered pair is labeled x sub 2, y sub 2. Then, substitute the x and y values into the slope formula. The slope formula is the change in y divided by the change in x. Slope equals y sub 2 subtract y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 subtract x sub 1. The slope of this line equals 0 subtract -10 divided by 8 subtract 8. Last, solve for the slope. 0 subtract -10 equals 10. 8 subtract 8 equals 0. We cannot divide 10 by 0, so the slope of this line is undefined. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!